Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist.
A few moments later.
On today's video guys, I'm gonna show you on how to remove the window trimming or car window trim for your Hyundai Eon. This is going to be a short video since I'll just be showing to you how to remove maybe one side of the window trim. It's gonna be, or the process is basically the same thing for the front and rear window. So please stay tuned.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright guys, so for this video, all you need to have would be a flathead screwdriver and a piece of cloth. If you have a prying tool, that would be much better. Okay, so first thing to do guys is of course prepare your tools and lower down the window where you will be removing the trim from. So in my case, we're gonna remove the passenger side, or rather the driver's side. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the trim.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, so in removing the trim, all you need to have, this actually only has two grooves of clips. It's right about here. All you need to do is first to loosen this up. So using a piece of cloth, the piece of cloth will just prevent any scratches. Start at the very edge, like that. So once that's up, we just need to pull this back. So while pulling backwards, just need to pull upwards. Okay, and like that. So that's how easy it is to remove the weather strip or the window molding. Okay, so I might clean the siding, so if you'll be returning the window trim or the window molding, just reverse the process. Put this halfway through and then alright, and then gently push. So this time you'll be pushing downwards and inwards at the same time. And there you go. So just give it a little push if it's loose, and there you have it guys. Okay. Alright guys, so if you love the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button. If you have any other request, please comment down below or send me a private message on my Facebook account. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today guys, and see you on our next video.